Am I audible? Start. Okay, good. Nice. Again, a service provider. A service provider. It's an organization, an IT organization. It is service provider. It's a service provider providing services to their customers. That's we are told, right? Mm, mm. But this is little bit change. We'll do it. So we'll go to this providing to their customers, right? But here it is already we told. So different technical team people are there. The different technical knowledge people are there. Experience and knowledge people are there in our service provider organization. So I will tell few examples, multiple 3, 4 examples I will tell. So then we'll understand what is this support customer in different ways, different kind of stuff. Okay. So first one is the first one. The first one is I came to our office, 70's office first time. It is okay with my laptop. So I want a internet connection. Simple. Different lot of points are there. So but we'll see a few. What is I want internet connection to my laptop. Okay. So I need a Wi-Fi router password, right? To connect internet. So there is a Wi-Fi, so I want to connect it. So I need an internet connection to my laptop. What I have to do? So I contact. So I asked some people. Then they said this is the service desk, desktop support people are there. So I contact service desk directly, direct approach. So because they're sitting in one place, so I know some people. So I went there and asked, I need a internet for my laptop. What the people done? So they take my laptop, create a ticket. Sorry, first they create a ticket for me and assign the ticket to a team called a desktop support team. Desktop support team. Okay. So in the desktop support team member took my laptop, like it's a direct connector, right? So they're also in the same floor. Okay. So this desk actually this I reaches to service desk means I reach desktop support team only. So they create a ticket. They written what is the requirements, what is my name, what is my requirements, and assign the ticket to themselves only. They took the ticket and understand and they add my MAC address, my Wi-Fi adapter's MAC address to the Wi-Fi router and add that Wi-Fi related username password. So then I got connected. That's it. Okay. I got connected. Okay, now to my laptop, I got in network connection. See? And they once you got it, so they close the ticket. Who am I? I am the part of same organization. So I'm a internal customer. I'm a customer and I'm a internal customer. We internal customers are part of same organization where the technical team members and service desk provide. Okay. Next. Or some other person, non-technical persons like a communication soft skills writer. Okay. So non-technical person don't know how to install and configure Outlook. You need an Outlook configuration or maybe Microsoft Office installation. So they contact service desk. This service desk people create a ticket, assign the ticket to the desktop support team. They take the ticket and understand what is the requirement. Either directly they take the laptop and install the Outlook or and Microsoft Office or Outlook install and configure. or maybe they will do like a remote access. If in case this user not in the same premises, there are remotely connected different places, different branch office. So they use this remote desktop like any desk. So they will guide them to how to install it. When I was in this position, I came to Hyderabad office first time. Later they shifted me to Pune location. In Pune, when I was in Pune, so what happened? I got this office related issues. My Microsoft Office is not working, and I do not know how to connect to our service desk team because earlier I connected directly, but now what happened? I don't. So I asked to find this emails related support and telephone support. So I call them service desk support. So with that contact, so what they done, they create a ticket, assign the ticket to the service desk team, desktop support team. They took my system. They asked my AnyDesk ID. So I share the AnyDesk ID to them. So they connected to my desktop. They go to control panel, Microsoft Office, and right click and repair options. So once it is repaired, it is working fine. Okay. So all these things, all scenarios are different types of support, and as well as those are all for internal customers. One, which is I am telling, that is listen carefully. HR is there. There is a HR person. There is a new joinee. There is a new join is there. This no, new join person means there is new employee. So HR is final completed is joining formalities. Now this new join person need few things. One is this new join person required a laptop. Okay. So a workstation like a desktop or laptop is required. Second one is he has to log in. So it's a domain based, like organization login account has to be created, like a domain account has to be created. Login account and password. Email account has to be created. And he need, whenever he enter into the office and leaving, biometric authentication. We need a biometric authentication, which connect to the attendance system also. So a new employee join, these four things are should be done. This new employee don't know how to ask, right? But who will going to ask? Your HR. HR is an employee of same organization, right? He specified to the service desk in that one specified. So new workstation has to be assigned to this particular user. New account has to be created. Email ID has to be created. Biometric access. This ticket, the first it is assigned to the desktop support team. This desktop support team go to the inventory. Go to the in inventory. What is this inventory? Like a asset management. IT asset management means it contains an inventory like how many desktops are there, how many laptops are there, total systems, how many are already assigned, how many are available, how many are available, how many are assigned, how many are not working, how many are working, how many are not working. What is their details? It is available in the this asset management inventory. They check in the inventory. So the suitable for this user requiring as user requirements. The suitable laptop is available. So they'll check it. Okay. Assign this laptop to this user. Assign the laptop to user. Next, the ticket is routed to the other team members who is system administrator. The system administrator log into the their Active Directory server, so domain controller server. They create a user account or the user account and password, and that specify that username and password in the laptop. Oh, again, which is connected. Huh? Mm. Even I connected. Oh, okay. Uh, I think it is good again. So he created a user account and shared the user account and password to the user. Then user log into the laptop. Okay. And it is routed to the mail server administrator. What you will do, you create a email account for our user and share the email password to the user. Third one is complete. The front desk people also there, help people also there, who is create a login account, who create a resource allocation people are also there. Okay, floor management people, floor allocation, floor security people, different names are there. What they will do it, they will create a account like in their biometric thumb access security. Okay, or they will provide us some swiping cards. Okay, will provide a swiping card kind of stuff inside this one. Okay, so they will test whether it is login logout is reflecting on attendance sheet or not. So once it is done, they will give it to the user, whether it is thumb impression or maybe a swiping card kind of stuff. So front door access means to enter into the office, leaving to office, and attendance. Now all the requirements are fulfilled. Then this ticket is completely. See, sometimes the ticket is assigned to one team. It is okay. Sometimes the tickets will be assigned to the multiple teams for a different kind of stuff. Means not one person is doing everything. No, different teams are there for different technical knowledge and permissions. Like I am a desktop support engineer. I don't have an access of email server. I'm an email server administrator. I may not having access of front entry that security kind of stuff, right? I'm a system administrator. I may have a server access or may not have a email server access also. Okay, it's all depends upon the role. It maybe has knowledge or maybe he will do both the works or maybe only single work. Right? So these are all people, service desk analyst can be a desktop support engineer and system administrator or mail administrator also possible. Okay, these are all service desk analyst only. They're all supporting to the customer required. And this is internal customers. Okay, internal customer is a part of our organization. Of course, you are not dealing with internal customers, you are dealing with the external customers. The service provider providing services to other organization, IT or non-IT organization. Okay, so those are all our client, or we can say customer. Okay, so they are getting certain kind of services, right? It may be a mail related services, web related services, or ERP application related services, SAP, sorry, CRM application services, networking services, cloud services, storage services. Okay, they are getting certain kind of services. These people are utilizing that service. If they need some requirement, the ticket will be created, assigned to that specific team. So they will going to be help to resolve the ticket or fulfill the ticket. Who is these people? Other organization. So they are not part of our organization. They are a separate organization, right? We call them external customer. External customer means directly say external customer meaning is they are not part of our organization. Anybody outside of our organization, the customer who is outside of our organization is external customer only. But in this external customer, organization level customers also. But it's a other organization customer. And in this external, individual customers also there. Okay. Is a individual. customers. Okay. So this type of individual customer, we call it as retail, or we can also say public, but retail is more suitable. Okay. So retail customers are individual customers. For example, I took a Airtel internet or Jio internet. Okay. AWS personal account. AWS personal account. Office 365 personal account. Okay. So I took a service from an organization as individual person. As individual person, I took a service from an organization. So I'm a retail customer. I'm an external customer, but a retail type customer, individual or retail customer. So I'm also working in a 70s organization. I'm also working in 70s organization. I'm getting this Office 365 services. Look at this is a Office 365 services. Why it is not opening? The service Office 365 disconnected again. So today is not a maybe not good day or maybe good to understand. Hmm? Again we are okay. See this is our Office 365 service. Okay. So we are getting different kind of services, Office 365 related service. But I didn't get it. So my personal ID from the 70s, I'm getting these services. So I'm working in an organization. This organization took a service from a service provider. So this is also a person, but it's also an external customer, but organizational level kind of stuff. Organizational level kind of stuff. Okay. So internal customer, external customer. In external customer, organizational level service providing, individual level service providing. Okay. Individual service for people who are acting as individual person acting as service is an individual customer or retail customer. Okay. The external customer, organizational wise, we are providing service means entire organization is getting a service. The people who are working in there are users or customers, they are getting a service as a based on their organization only. Okay. But you may get a doubt. Just we are listening, not asking doubts. But okay. So to whom you are supporting? Like if you join an organization, okay, you are a part of this any technical team, right? You are part of a technical team. You are a service desk analyst. To whom you are dealing by by generally, right? This SL recruitment. To whom you are dealing, as I know, it is not internal customers. It is not retail customers, as I know. It is organizational level customers. Means you have to support to that other organizations because they are getting a services from your organization. When they need an issue, when they got an issue or need some kind of requirements, you have to support their customer. You have to fulfill their requirements, resolving their issues. Okay. So this is to whom you are dealing with external customer, organizational level customers. Okay, so you don't require to worry, like it's a technical support. So it is, there's some people will call me, like my internet is not working, they will call me. No need to worry. It's a complete professional. Yes, sir. But you are dealing with your external one. That's the thing. Let's understand internal and external customers. So again, we'll take a small break. it can be a 5 minutes break is enough.